Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'm standing beside the chassis for the 1956 Volkswagen oval rear window Beetle. In an earlier video, quite a while ago, we were talking about the disc brake conversion kit and the chassis. The chassis has been all redone. So in the earlier video, we talked about the sound deadener or sound insulation on the one side. It's on back order, but should be here any day now. So the chassis has been completely reconditioned. So we've got new floor pans, new front frame head, replacement front beam. It has height adjust for the beam itself. We have a brand new steering box, and then they come like a natural cast color, and then we scotch padded it. We put the inspection paint on it, and then we've clear coated it so it doesn't rust on us. We've got the new shocks. They're gas charged shocks as opposed to just the oil filled. And you can see we've got new tie rods, two tie rod ends, the upgraded master cylinder with the two banks front and rear. We've reconditioned the pedals. They're all sandblasted and powder coated. And then we can see on the back side now, because the wheels are on, that's the back of the disc brake conversion kit with the aluminum deflector plate for cooling, and the new calipers and the new lines. So you got everything basically on the chassis has all been reconditioned. And then if you come around the side, the camera person can show you the tires. So in an earlier video, we shared with you just the one tire. This is all dusty right now, but this is a really nice looking, authentic the 6.60 by 15 Firestone tubeless wide whites, which would be an option back in 1956. As we come down the chassis, you can see we've got all of our new brake lines. So that's a nickel copper lifetime warranty on the lines. We've run the lines exactly the way the factory would. We've got our junction at the back, and we've got new flex lines. We've got the new axle boots. It's a Highway Flyer transmission, so we've got the nice top gear for the highway. As we come around the back, it's the authentic original engine. Our client rebuilt the engine himself. He's really handy. We kept the authentic look. And then we have, this is our titanium ceramic coated high heat or extreme heat coating that we have on the muffler. So it looks like the normal cast color, authentic looking. And as we come down this side, you can see all the new hardware on the housing of the transmission, where we sent it out and had it redone with the Highway Flyer. So it's going to be better revving on the highway kind of thing. Something nice little detail here. We made sure that when we sandblasted the chassis that we're able to have the VIN number of the chassis really easy to read. As we come up this side, same idea. You see the new tie rods, new gas charged shocks, new kingpins and everything. So everything is all been redone. Everything as you see now is either new or like brand new condition. So in our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to share with you when we have the body set back on the chassis. So they're doing a lot of body work on it now. They're going to end up painting the whole bottom of the vehicle, the firewalls, the interior, and then once the body is all painted high gloss black, with the exception of the exterior panels, that's when we're going to set the actual body back onto the chassis, bolted up. It's been dry fitted 2 or 3 times. So this is a really neat stage just to see what these chassis look like when they're reconditioned and they're ready for the reconditioned body to set on. So this is the 1956 Volkswagen chassis. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.